B. Enlargement or contraction along the x-axis. This time we talk about along x-axis. Let's have a look. Enlarge to 8 times of the original along x-axis. Okay. Then substitute x over a, correct. Similar as y, right? So this time affect x values, then substitute x over a into x. So as a result, this one. That means gx equals to function f x over a. Yeah. How about this one? Contract 1 over a of original along x-axis. Yeah, you would say that this one is x over 1 over a. Okay? Or you can direct substitute ax into x. That means like this. Okay? Or say as f(ax). Okay? So it's easy. If the graph y equal to fx enlarges or contracts a times where m greater than 0 along the x-axis, then the function represented by the image is this one. Okay? Sorry, this one should be m if we write it like this. So y equals to f x over m. That means like this. Okay? If enlarge or contract m times. Okay? So let's see. 9.7c. Let's have a look at this example. According to the graph of the function y equal to fx as shown, sketch the graph of each of the following functions on the same figure. A. Y equals to negative f2x. Okay, then what happened? We need to do something first before we sketch the graph. So this time y equals to negative f2x, and we can say that this one y equals to negative function x over 1 over 2, right? At the end, negative y equals to function x over 1 over 2. What means of this? Yeah, correct. You found that there are two transformations. So it contracts 1 over 2 times along the x-axis, yes, and good. This one is a reflection. Reflects with respect to the x-axis also. Right, because negative y. You see negative y. That means reflect along reflect with respect to x-axis. Okay, here x over 1 over 2, so contract 1 over 2 times along the x-axis. Here maybe as right as 1 over 2 times. Okay. Then let's see. Have a look first. First, we do the contraction. So mark the point. Okay. Here is 2, 5 becomes 1, 5. Okay. Affect x. Here is 4, 5, then becomes 2, 5. Yes. And the minimum point 1, 4 becomes 0.54. And remember, no change for y-intercept. Okay, good. How about x-intercept? Yeah, also contract. That means this one, negative 1, 0 becomes negative 1, negative 0.5. 3 becomes 1.5. Right. Okay. Here, Mr. Negative sign. Would you please write it down? Okay, so make sure you draw correctly. So finally, just draw it. However, this one is not the final answer, so just sketch it. Okay, not the final answer. Remember, you need to do the reflection. So upside down, okay, reflect along the x-axis, reflect along x-axis. So finally, this point becomes here. Okay, maybe I use another pencil, use another color. Okay, this point and this point, right? Here is -4 becomes 4, right? So the maximum point, okay, minimum point becomes maximum point. Reflect along or with respect to x-axis, so no change for this one, no change. So at the end, this one should be the answer. Okay, so this one, y equals to -f2x. Okay, clear? Okay, goes on to have a look next one. Second, b, y equals to f a function -x/2. So let's see here. First, write down how's it change. This one, that means, okay, negative sign, and then over 2, right? So it's enlarges 2 times along x-axis this time, right? And good, reflects with respect to y-axis, correct? Okay, so enlarge 2 times. So let's draw this one first. Okay, oh, here, enlarge. Okay, so you can think it as this one. Okay, the image of A, I mark point A here. What happened to A? First, enlarge 3 times. So it becomes 2 times, sorry. It becomes here. First, do the enlargement, okay? And next, reflects with respect to the y-axis, that means goes to this. So final image of A, it should be here, A pi, right? And the next one, this point originally 4, 5, right? If enlarge, that means 8 something, 8, 5, right? And finally, reflect. So it becomes -8, 5. So final point should be here. Okay? Then how about this point? How about this point? Let's see. -2, 5, -2, 5 is the original value. Then it should be -4, 5 after enlarges 2 times. Then the final one goes back to 4, 5, right? So this one becomes the final image of this point. Okay, so which point will not change? Do you remember? Yeah, the point without any changes is x is the y-intercept. right? Y-intercept. So at the end, you can join these 3 points, but it's better for you to write down the x-intercept. How's it change? How's it change? For example, this point, -1, 0, -1, 0. Okay, write down all the negative point. Here, it becomes -2, 0, right? This is point, okay, maybe say that point B. So final image of point B, it should be here, E pi, right? How about C? How about C? This one, 3, 0, then becomes 6, 0, right? But at the end, reflection. So C pi here, -6, 0. Now you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 points already. So you can draw this curve. Okay? So maybe here not really good. Okay, draw it once again. Good. Here y equals to function -x/2. Okay, -x/2. Okay. So first, try to think about how's the transformation. This time have the enlargement and the refraction in the same time. So transform one by one, and you can get the answer. You can sketch the graph.